Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Excel. In this video, I am going to discuss about top 10 pharma companies in India by market capitalization as of 2020. So let's begin the video. Number 10 is Aurobindo Pharma Limited. It was founded in 1986. Its headquarters is at Hyderabad, Telangana in India. And founders are P.V. Ramprasad Reddy and K. Nityananda Reddy. Aurobindo Pharma Limited is a pharmaceutical manufacturing company headquartered in Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad, India. The company manufactures generic pharmaceutical and active pharmaceutical ingredients. Number 9 is Alkem Laboratories Limited. It was founded in 1973. Its headquarters is at Mumbai, Maharashtra in India, and founder is Shyam Singh. Alkem Laboratories Limited is a multinational pharmaceutical company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra that manufactures and sells pharmaceutical generics, formulations and nutraceutical in India. Number 8 is Cadila Healthcare Limited, Zydus Cadila. It was founded in 1952. Its headquarters is at Ahmedabad, Gujarat in India, and the founder is Ramanbhai Patel. Cadila Healthcare Limited is an Indian pharmaceutical company headquartered in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. The company is one of the leading pharmaceutical companies in India. It is a manufacturer of generic drugs. In 2019, injectable ketorolac tromethamine manufactured by Zydus was recalled due to microbial growth. Number 7 is Abbott Laboratories. It was founded in 1888, 132 years ago, as Abbott Alkaloids Company. Its headquarters is at Abbott Park, Illinois in US, and founder is Dr. Wallace Calvin Abbott. Abbott Laboratories is an American multinational medical devices and healthcare company with headquarters in Abbott Park, Illinois, United States. The company was founded by Chicago physician Wallace Calvin Abbott in 1888 to formulate known drugs. Today, it sells medical devices, diagnostics, branded generic medicines and nutritional products. Number 6 is Lupin Limited. It was founded in 1968. Its headquarters is at Mumbai, Maharashtra in India, and founder is Deshbandhu Gupta. Lupin Limited is a multinational pharmaceutical company based in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. It is the 8th largest generic pharmaceutical company by revenue globally. Number 5 is Torrent Pharmaceuticals Limited. It was founded in 1959. Its headquarters is at Ahmedabad in India. The key peoples are Sudhir Mehta and Samir Mehta. Torrent Pharmaceuticals Limited is the flagship company of the Torrent Group based in the Indian city of Ahmedabad. It was promoted by U.N. Mehta initially as Trinity Laboratories Limited and was later renamed Torrent Pharmaceutical Limited. Number 4 is Cipla Limited. It was founded in 1935. Its headquarters is at Mumbai, Maharashtra in India, and founder is Khwaja Abdul Hamid. Cipla Limited is an Indian multinational pharmaceutical and biotechnology company headquartered in Mumbai, India. Cipla primarily develops medicines to treat respiratory, cardiovascular disease, arthritis, diabetes, weight control and depression, other medical conditions. Number 3 is Divi's Laboratories Limited. It was founded in 1990. Its headquarters in India, and founder is Murali K. Divi. Divi's Laboratories Limited is an India-based manufacturer of active pharmaceutical ingredients and intermediates. The company is engaged in manufacture of leading generic compounds, nutraceutical ingredients and custom synthesis of API. Number 2 is Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. It was founded in 1984. Its headquarters is at Hyderabad, Telangana in India. And founder is Onji Reddy. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories is a multinational pharmaceutical company. The company was founded by Onji Reddy, who previously worked in the Mentor Institute Indian Drug and Pharmaceutical Limited of Hyderabad, India. Number 1 is Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited. It was founded in 1983. Its headquarters is at Mumbai, Maharashtra in India. And founder is Dilip Sanghvi. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited is an Indian multinational pharmaceutical company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra that manufactures and sells pharmaceutical formulations and active pharmaceutical ingredients primarily in India and the United States.